To another tragic incident that took place in Pune, where a bridge over the Indrayani river collapsed, turning a popular tourist spot into the site of a devastating disaster. What began as a routine summer outing ended in horror as families gathered by the river to enjoy the view, unaware of the danger looming beneath their feet. In a matter of seconds, the structure gave way. Onlookers screamed as people were swept into the river below. The moment of the collapse, captured on camera, is harrowing. Metal concrete crumbling into the water as rescue teams rushed to the site. Grim numbers began to emerge. At least 4 people lost their lives. Over 50 were injured and more than 20 were pulled from the currents by the emergency teams. Take a look.
A 30-year-old bridge on Indrayani river fell yesterday. After the bridge collapsed, 4 people lost their life in the unfortunate incident. This bridge is located at Talegaon Dabhade's Kundmala waterfall. This is the waterfall where people come here to enjoy, and like any other day, to enjoy the Sunday morning or to enjoy the view of this monsoon season. People had gathered here, and as per the reports, more than 100 people were standing on the bridge at the same time. Additionally, there were motorbikes passing by on this bridge. Now, this is a 30-year-old bridge which was only meant for pedestrians. It was already in dilapidated conditions, which is why there were signboards put up around the bridge. But despite that, the locals and the villagers used to commute on this bridge, but the tourists also took their vehicles, their motorbikes onto this bridge, which the load the bridge couldn't take, and which is why it fell directly into the flowing river. Now it was challenging for the NDRF and the rescue teams to help people come out of the water because of the high flow, the fast flow we can see of the river. Since past 2-3 days, there's heavy rainfall and orange alert issued in the Ghat areas of Pune. Today also, it is orange alert in the nearby premises. But despite that, people had gathered here only to enjoy their day. But due to the negligence of the government, the negligence of the Pimpri-Chinchwad Municipal Corporation, the bridge collapsed, and the authorities are now saying that a new bridge was sanctioned here, but there's no update on when this bridge will take shape, and we can see the structure of the bridge is very bad. It is already in dilapidated condition. Despite that, people were using this because this was the only way to travel from 2 villages. Now the connection between the 2 villages is broken.
Well, one survivor recalled the moments before the collapse, saying there was a huge crowd on the bridge and the road was jammed with vehicles. People standing in the middle were swept away in seconds after the bridge collapsed. Another survivor also shared his chilling experience. He said he felt the bridge was moving beneath him, but before he could react, it just gave way.
Nearly over the whole bridge, it was more than 150 to 200 people, but at the position where the bridge collapsed, there were more than 50 people over there, and 5 to 6 bikes, where from that end 2 bikes were coming over here, and the 3 bikes were coming from the left side of the bridge. So there was a jam. It is the Ganesh Krupa, I can say Bholenath Krupa. We were safe. It's the grace of God. My family is over here and safe.
Well, revelations have come to light in the aftermath of the Pune bridge collapse. Reports indicate a significant delay in the construction of a new bridge to replace the aging structure. Although 8 crore rupees were cleared for the project last year, no visible action has been taken on ground. The sanctioned funds were never disbursed to the responsible authorities. Meanwhile, politics has begun on the issue following the tragic collapse of the Pune bridge, claiming lives. Congress and Sena UBT have accused the state government of gross negligence, which led to the disaster. In response, the BJP has hit back, accusing the opposition of politicizing the tragedy. Listen in.
जो लोग पुणे में इस सरकार की लापरवाही के कारण दुर्घटना में पुल के मारे गए हैं, मैं उन्हें विनम्र श्रद्धांजलि देता हूं। जो घायल हैं उनके शीघ्र स्वास्थ्य की कामना करता हूं, रेस्क्यू की कामना करता हूं। जांच होनी चाहिए कि एक प्रतिबंधित पुल पर इतने लोग पहुंच कैसे गए। उसे टेंडर हुआ था, उसे हटाने का, वो टेंडर लागू क्यों नहीं हुआ? जांच करें और जो दोषियों के खिलाफ कार्रवाई। पर मोदी जी याद करिएगा, आपने ही कहा था जब बंगाल में एक पुल गिरा था तो कहा था लगता है सरकार बदलने के दिन आ गए। मैं अब आपकी राय जानना चाहता हूं।
सरकार ये कहती है कि ये हादसे तो होते रहते हैं, हादसे होते रहेंगे, हादसे होते रहे हैं, ये कोई अतिशयोक्ति का विषय नहीं है। लेकिन जो लोग मारे गए हैं, हमें उनके परिवार के प्रति संवेदनाएं हैं। लेकिन चाहे वो कोई भी शाहराह हो, चाहे वो कोई हाईवेज हो, चाहे वो कोई लखनऊ आगरा का जो एक्सप्रेसवे, आज तक उस पर कोई करप्शन का चार्जेज नहीं आए, आज तक उस पर कोई कंप्लेंट नहीं आई। लेकिन जहां जहां भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने जो भी इनके डेवलपमेंट प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं वो डेमोलिश हो रहे हैं, पुल गिर रहे हैं। बिहार की सरकार में, नीतीश जी की सरकार में तो तकरीबन 10 से ज्यादा पुल गिरे, नए बने हुए पुल गिरे, क्योंकि उसके अंदर करप्शन।